On observing this problem figure, we can understand that a cylindrical roller or spherical ball is placed within the inclined planes. One inclined plane is alpha incline with horizontal, another inclined plane is beta inclination with horizontal plane. In between ball or roller alpha inclined surface there is a contact A. In between ball or roller beta inclined surface there is a contact B. For this problem figure we try to trace the free body diagram. To trace the free body diagram we have to introduce reaction forces at point of contact A and B for alpha inclined surface and beta inclined surface. We have to introduce perpendicular reaction forces perpendicular to those inclined planes at A and B of magnitude RA and RB. On removing contact surfaces, we have to introduce normal reaction force RA perpendicular to alpha inclined surface. RB reaction force we have to introduce perpendicular to beta inclined surface. When you introduce line of action of force RA and RB, that should pass through the center of the ball or roller. RA indicates us normal contact reaction force for the alpha inclined surface. RB indicates us normal contact reaction force for beta inclined surface. In between inclined planes and spherical ball or roller. For the spherical ball or roller, we have to introduce weight which is acting downward direction through the centroid. W indicates us weight of the spherical ball or roller which is acting downward direction. When you draw line of action of weight force downward direction, we can get exactly looks like in this fashion. By following the problem figure we can estimate angle in between RA contact reaction force and line of action of weight force is alpha. By following problem figure we can also estimate angle in between normal contact reaction force RB and line of action of weight force as beta. This indicates us free body diagram of a given problem figure. When you draw the line of action of RA force and RB force, we can get exactly looks like in this fashion. By following the transmissibility of forces, we can transmit RA, RB and weight force in the same line of action of force. We can change the force from present position to newer position in the same line of action of force. No change will be taking place. We can transmit the weight force which is acting at the center to the newer position on the same line of action of force. We can also transmit RA force from the present position to newer position on the same line of action of force. We can also transmit RB force from the present position to newer position on the same line of action of RB force. This also indicates as free body diagram of given problem figure. The angle included in between RA reaction force and line of action of weight force is also alpha. The angle included in between RB reaction force and line of action of weight force is also beta. On observing this free body diagram of given problem figure, we can say RA and RB and W weight force are diverging from the center of the ball or roller. So these three forces are concurrent in nature, concurrent forces.